So we've worked a little bit on Seesaw as a student, and now we're going to work on it as a teacher. So we're going to learn how to set up our classes, how to use the icons within Seesaw, create and set up activities for our class, and integrate other apps or app smashing with Seesaw. So the first thing we need to learn is how to set up our class. Okay, to start off with, you will sign in, and if you don't have an account, I'm doing this on my computer, you need to go to app.seesaw.me, sign in as a teacher, and from there you will go over to your name. You will create a new class. Now, if you create from grade 4 onwards, your class will get an email login. So let's create a class for year 8. You need to give your class a name. So we'll call it RTA grade 8. Click the check button, and then it will suggest activities. Now, to share it with your class, you want your students to sign in using their Google account. So what it will do, it will create a code that you will email to your students, and it will show them how to log in. I'll show you how to do it with younger children, where you're going to have to add your students themselves. So we'll go back and we'll add another class, and this time we're going to add a kindergarten class. Kindy. Click the green tick. Now this is slightly different, so we're going to go to the wrench tool, and we're going to add students. We're not going to email them with their instructions. We're going to add students. No, we don't want them to do that. They'll be working one-on-one. So the first student is going to be Fred, Georgia, Ravi. Who else will we have? Rachel, Peter, Adam, Ben. Oh, sorry, Ben, and Beck. That's our class, so you can keep adding them. That you'll get a poster like this which you can put up, and the kids will use their Seesaw scan, so you can print the sign-in poster. This will appear. Okay, if we move here, they will just scan this QR code and it will take them straight to their class. So if we close this and then go into our RTA Kindy account, you'll see that the students have had an avatar automatically assigned to them. Now they can change them, and if you go into the handout that you were given at the beginning, the children can actually go in on their own accounts and change their own avatars. So by default, when you set up a class, it will give the initials of the name of the class. So this was RTA Kindy. So we don't really want that. So we're going to change, we'll go up to the wrench, we will change to a picture. So we may have a competition. We might choose 3 or 4, vote on the ones we like, and in this case we're going to use the bear, which changes our icon. The other thing that happens is students often don't like their avatar. So Georgia might not be very happy being a snake, so we'll click on Georgia's name, click on icon, and Georgia has decided that she loves dolphins so much that we are going to change her to a dolphin. You'll find this set of instructions at the end of the module, and you can use this as a reference.